Let me just ask you a quick question. Assuming there is no mobile phones, there is no content, there is no video games, there is no music, there is no junk food, there is no TV, you can't watch movies. Everything is just normal. There's no technology at all. You're just meant to just sit, go about your day, and live as a normal human being. I think you'll be more self aware because the most insidious form of distraction is modern technology. But the way it is being polished, to say it makes life easy, it makes you connect with friends, it makes you deal with boredom. But in the real sense, this is just distraction where you are avoiding self awareness. You are never aware of yourself because there's always distraction from mobile phones, from video games, from movies, from junk food, from music, from substances. You are always getting distracted day by day. And this makes you not self aware. There was a time where I wasn't with my phone because my phone was down and I didn't get to charge my phone for like a day. Within this 24-hour period, I was more self aware than I've ever been my entire life because there was no form of distraction. I can't scroll on social media, I can't play video games, nothing to stimulate me, nothing pleasurable to do. I was just all by myself. Then I became more self aware, had more time to plan my day. Then I was able to even set more goals just within 24 hours. I started journaling because, of course, nothing could stimulate me. No games, no movies, nothing to watch, nothing to stimulate me. I was journaling and I was able to set goals, know where I am in life. And I became more self aware, self conscious, and I was introspective. I was just all by myself. I remember those things that I've pushed away with constant stimulation and distraction. Those things that I was meant to process, those emotions that I was meant to process properly, those things that I was meant to plan for. But because there's always stimulation, one stimulation or the other, if I wasn't scrolling, I was watching movies, I was playing video games, eating junk food, listening to music, doing all sort of things that are just stimulating and makes me shy away from the real life. But the moment I didn't have that sort of stimulation, I was more self-aware and I was able to plan my day and I was able to even set more meaningful goals because that was what I was left with. I couldn't even scroll because my phone wasn't with me. There was no power on my phone to scroll. And of course, what would I do? I come back to my senses. That is what we call self-aware. The reason you have never been self-aware, the reason you are not making progress in life, the reason you can't even sit and process your own emotions is as a result of you having stimulation day by day. And this technology has been designed in a way that they tell you, oh, these social media apps makes you connect with loved ones. But in the real sense, are you connecting with loved ones or you are just shying away from yourself? Are you really connecting with loved ones or you are just looking for a way to cope from how you are feeling? You don't want to sit in your own thoughts. Maybe you are anxious and you feel next thing to do is to scroll all day. Maybe you are feeling down and you feel the next thing is to just watch social media content. This is just a coping mechanism. It doesn't solve any problem. The moment you stay away from this instant stimulation, you will see that you become more self-aware and then you are looking for ways to actually solve these emotional problems and to deal and process with your emotions. Self-awareness can only be gotten when you stay away from stimulation, constant pleasure, dopamine spiking activities, and instant stimulation. I bet you, if you stay away from your phone for just 3 to 4 hours, you see how more aware you become. You see that there's a lot of things that needs planning. You complain that you don't have much time, you don't have enough time to follow your dreams, you don't have enough time to learn that skill, you don't have enough time in the day to follow your business model, you don't have enough time to read, to study, to do those things that are meaningful that you know that will bring you hundredfolds of returns in the long run. Tell yourself that there is no time. Oh, I'm so busy. But look at your screen time. It's 6 hours in a day and you said you don't have time. What if you don't have that phone with you? The phone is away from you and then you have 6 hours just yourself. I think you get more work done. You get more plans set. You get more goals set and you get more emotions processed during that time than you could ever do in a year. I bet. you need more time to be self-aware. You don't need more time to work. You don't need more free time during the day. You don't need more free time to plan your goals. You don't need more free time to work on your craft. You don't need more free time to build that business. You don't need more free time to work on that project or upskill yourself. You need less distractions so that you can even be more self-aware and have more time. So you don't need to even say, I don't have enough time to learn that skill. I don't have time. I'm always busy. Look at your screen time and then you see that it's not that you need more time. It's just that you need less distractions for you to be more self-aware. And that's the lesson we teach here. The primal self is rejecting modern excess and restoring human balance. Welcome to the tribe.